afternoon, everyone. Welcome again. And we are back now to have our meet and greet session. It's the end of our 3-day orientation.
Thank you very much for choosing SEGi University. Quality is maintained. We're doing online for the time being. And at Student Affairs, we will continue with our role in providing you with the soft skill development events.
For all the new students, I can quite assure you that now your lecturers are more experienced in this. So of course now is for you to try to adopt it, to learning online and try to be disciplined. If you face any challenge and you don't know where to ask, who to ask, always remember SEGi Connect.
The mantra has always been that the best in you made possible, and we certainly are making that promise.
On behalf of SEGi University, I would like to welcome all our new foundation and diploma students for the April 2020 intake. So as a university, we are providing a lot of classes online through our e-learning platform, Blackboard. And all our library and digital resources for different courses are also available online for all of you. SEGi University is a fabulous university, and we are very proud to inform you that our university is ranked in the top 54% in the most recent QS Asia ranking. And I wish you success in your study. Thank you so much.
Just to update, we have students joining us from Bangladesh, Pakistan, Korea, Thailand, yes, China, yes.
I'm from Congo.
And definitely looking forward to see all of you back in campus.
I just wanted to thank, since everyone is here, I just wanted to thank the whole management, even with the virus possession and everything. SEGi is taking so much initiative to give us all the best they can. So I'm just really grateful to be a part of such a great institution.
Everyone, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a great afternoon, and we enjoyed the session with you. Stay in touch. Bye.